all we need to do now is to do intersection lines. So if we have two lines that are going to create, so if this one is line K and this one is line S. Okay, so we have line S and line K. When we have intersection line, they are intersecting in a different under different angles, and then we can notice if we color these angles that it will be two acute angles. This would be one smaller than 90 degrees and the two obtuse angles. So this would be one that is acute and exactly the same. So opposite angles are congruent. And also, if I drew the circle around, you can see it will help me to make that the angles live in a circle. So you can see why these are smaller part of a circle. So less than 90 degrees. And then I will have, let's say, orange are obtuse. So these are obtuse angles. You can make it bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter, but I can show you this is obtuse. One obtuse. And then I have another obtuse angle. So kind of like in color so you can see the difference in between. Okay, so how do we label it? We can make also arc and arrows on both sides. Okay, and then this is our two obtuse. So when we have a two intersection lines and two intersection lines, they will create two obtuse and two acute angles. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little bit more visible. Okay, and now we need to know how big are they. So we can use our protractor and we can measure. So this should be about 30 degrees. Okay, so 30 degrees. So is this one 30 degrees? So when we know these acute angles, we can easily figure it out what those obtuse are, because the all circle is 360 degrees. So if we say minus the 60, then we know that these two orange have to share 300 degrees. So 300 divided into 2 is 150 degrees. So we know then these are 150 degrees. And then we call these intersection lines. Intersection lines. Lines, intersection line. So you can see what we did. Okay, so we did the intersection lines. We did perpendicular lines. we find what plane is, what parallel lines are, and then we can also say what point is, what what line is, what line segment is, what ray is. Also, I would like to label intersection lines so we can go and see if that is, so we can say like K intersect L. K intersect L. So that's the intersection line, and we can kind of just like make that so we know that their K and L are intersection. Okay, thank you very much.